Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung device and let me share with you how to add the background photo to this section, so the quick settings. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you've got a special app which is called GoodLock. So you can find it in the Google Play Store or Galaxy Store. It's free of charge, so I highly recommend to download it. And after downloading, simply tap on it. Now you will start with the section plugins, and all you need to do here is to scroll down, and localize the QuickStar. So next to it you will have this download icon. Just tap on it and enter QuickStar. So the first thing you need to do is to tap on and then go to Edit Panel Style. And as you can see here, we've got the section where we can customize the button box, media player, brightness and volume. I will focus on the button box, but obviously the whole operation is the same for the brightness, volume, etc. So all you need to do is to tap on this plus icon here, and you will be, of course, after giving all the permissions it needs, you will be transferred to your own photo. So you can select the item that you'd like to apply there. So I'll pick maybe this one. And now you can decide whether you want to apply the image as it is, or you can crop the picture. So I think I will just apply it. Let me just tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got our photo. So all we need to do now is to unroll the upper panel. And as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied. And after expanding, you will see the full photo. I think that after entering the dark mode, it will be visible even better. So if you want to, you can just use it. And obviously, it's your choice what kind of photo you'd like to apply here. Moreover, if you don't really like the effect right here, because as you can see, I've decided to apply the full photo, and I don't really like this white space here and here. So let me go back. We will just change it. Let me just tap on change here. Let's choose the same photo again and then tap on crop. So as you can see, after now we can decide what part of the photo will be taken under the consideration, let's say. So I think I would just like to remove those white borders and tap on done. Now let me open it again, and as you can see, the white borders are not here. So so you need to decide whether you want to simply apply the photo as it is or crop the picture. Sometimes cropping it will be better option. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.